Well, class is back in session at the University of Idaho today as we wait for the suspect in the murder of 4 students there to appear again in court tomorrow. Stephanie Gosk has the latest from Moscow.
As Bryan Kohberger gets ready to appear again in court tomorrow, the families of his victims are still looking for answers about a motive.
It's obviously an emotional time for the family.
The lawyer for Kaylee Gonzalez's family saying Kohberger didn't know Kaylee or Maddie Mogen, as far as they know.
I don't know of anybody that did know him. All of those girls were social. They were involved in the college. They were working hard, waitressing and doing different things. So the idea that he may have ran across their paths, I don't think is uncommon.
The attorney saying the Gonzalez family has been in frequent contact with investigators as they look to build their case against Kohberger.
Well, anything that we have, we send over to the Moscow Police Department.
Meanwhile, spring semester beginning at the University of Idaho today. A semblance of normalcy returning now that a suspect is in custody. But fears remain.
I'm a little worried about the safety here.
10 miles away from the University of Idaho campus, suspect Bryan Kohberger was pursuing his PhD in criminal justice at Washington State University. Investigators say campus police there identified Kohberger on November 29th after midnight, connecting him to the Hyundai Elantra seen near the crime scene. Now some students there are also questioning their safety and why police waited a month to arrest him, letting Kohberger remain on campus until the December break.
We find out later that he's literally a student on campus and who was walking around with us. It felt like they were trying to keep it from us or something.
The police defended that decision.
I will 100% stand behind the way that we handled this investigation.
With much of the focus on the trial, family and friends of the victims want people to be reminded that young lives were lost, like Sydney McLean, Xana Carnoto's childhood friend.
She's one of the funniest people I ever met. She was always outgoing. She was a friend to everyone she met.
Her father, Todd, who coached the girls' gymnastics team, struggling to come to terms with the crime.
I think it comes down to just basically why. There's no sense to it.